You are now watching
So face, you're gonna go to face, pick that right there, and then you're gonna pick that right there, color, that one, and then you wanna go to, so let's go to the hairstyle, and it's gonna be that one right there. I think that one looks pretty good, black. Let's go to his eyebrows. So pick those right there, position, just pause the video, copy it, and then that. Let's move on to his eyes. It's gonna be those right there. You know, that savage look. And then that's the position. Copy that. Let's move on to his nose. It's gonna be that one. Copy that right there. Move on to his mouth. Right there. Alright, and then let's go to his facial hair. Pick these two right here. Go along together pretty good. And then don't think I put them all. Nope. And that's it. That's how you make Pac-Man. Just copy my stats and you'll get the good results like this. I mean, it looks just like them. There it is, and gentlemen. Enjoy.